In this video, I will show you how to work the Stockinette ladder stitch. This is a simple pattern that is worked over a multiple of 4 stitches plus an extra 2 edge stitches. The pattern is made up of 2 rows which are repeated throughout. This technique is used in our heartbeat sweater pattern. Today I'll be using Wool & the Gang's Buddy Hemp yarn in pistachio green and 6.5mm knitting needles. Okay, let's get started. For this video, I have cast on 22 stitches using the cable cast on technique. First, I'm going to knit an edge stitch. Then, I'm going to make a left-leaning decrease. Next, I'm going to make 2 yarn overs. These are made by bringing the yarn to the front of the work between the needles, then over the right needle. So that's one, and I'm just going to make the other one. There we go. This creates 2 new loops on the right hand needle. And now I'm going to make a right leaning decrease. So I'm going to repeat these 4 stitches to the end of the row. So that's a left leaning decrease. Oops. 2 yarn overs, and then a right leaning decrease. Let's do that again. So a left leaning decrease, and 2 yarn overs, and then a right leaning decrease. Okay, so now I have 1 stitch left of my row. I'm going to knit this stitch. So that's the first row of the Stockinette ladder stitch done. Now I'm going to work the second row. First, I'm going to purl the first edge stitch. Now I'm going to purl the next stitch. Then I have my 2 yarn overs. I'm going to purl the first yarn over, and then I'm going to knit the second yarn over. And then I'm going to purl the next stitch. So these 4 stitches are going to be repeated to the end of the row. So that's purl 1 stitch, purl the first yarn over, knit the second yarn over, and then purl the next stitch. So I'm going to do that another time. Purl 1 stitch, purl the first yarn over, knit the second yarn over, and purl the next stitch. Okay, so now I have 1 stitch left of my second row. I'm going to purl this edge stitch. So these 2 rows make up the Stockinette ladder stitch. To continue working in Stockinette ladder stitch, you just carry on repeating these 2 rows. And there you go, once you've worked a few more repeats, your ladder stitch should start to look a bit more like this. Thanks for watching.